This is Henry Henry. Mama J come home from the worky place to feed us our dinny because she has to supervise the court program thing tonight for a little bit. So she come home to feed us early and check on us, change our boy pants. And well, I don't really want to talk about this. I don't like talking about these kind of things. Well, you see these blinds right behind me? Somehow, they just jumped right out at me while Mama was at the worky place. I'm not kidding. They just jumped right out at me. And I don't really want to talk about this. I don't like talking about this. Ope, you tell it. Ope, you tell. I don't want to talk about it. Okay, I will. So anyway, these blinds just kind of jump out at me, and I kind of she had them wrapped in this sheety thing, and I sort of kind of saw them coming out of the sheet part. Yeah, and I tore one up. Tore the whole thing up. Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, I'm in troubles. I got pankin'. Mama talked to me and told me no, 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 no. She says that word loud. I don't like it because it hurts my ears. I got in troubles. Mama J said she may have to take the whole blind thing down and rig up some kind of curtain thing or something, because we just can't leave it alone. Don't know what she's going to do. But I'm in troubles, and now I'm grounded until the Friday. This has not been a goody afternoon.